all the good meters. Yeah, running AC 120 volts. They're all real nice. Yeah, it's actually on 120 instead of 119. Very good. Oh yeah, that's a classic. Classic. 120, what? Three? That one's low. That one's low. Let's see, those two higher, lower. That may be the difference between true RMS and not. So, some of them average, let's see. Where did we get at? All these are average responding. That one's average responding, but this one and this one are true RMS. And these three are true RMS. But I'm on a battery backup, and I've tried to find the difference, and I can't because it's a good sine wave battery backup. So I need to get a dimmer switch and plug this into mains with no battery supply, no battery backup or nothing. Then I can show the difference between true RMS and average responding. Because I'm curious about these. One of these may be average, one of these may be true RMS, but I don't know. Know for a fact all these are average. All of them. Let's see. One of these is average, and that one definitely is, and that one is. But true RMS, possibly one of them, and these three are all true RMS. But oh well, that's plugging this stuff up to mains. See, that's why you get a pair of leads that aren't safety shrouded, and then you can do stuff like this. But the safety shrouded, I think, helps keep the keep those ports from breaking so easy. So if you're in a outside environment, using this thing in an industrial environment or working on houses or whatever, yeah, you need to get the safety shrouded, I think, just because they'll fit the hole on the outside and keep this thing from wiggling so much. But, oh well, y'all have a good one. This is all my 14 good meters on AC mains. Y'all take care.